Hey guys, this is the Sky Organics Eyelash Organic Castor Oil Enhancer Serum. The product label has since changed. I've had this for a few years, to be honest. The product is, I think, made in India, USDA certified, but bottled in Florida in the USA. So it's an American product. And this is just the small 1 fluid ounce, 30 ml size. It comes with these little brushes that you can use to put it on your eyebrows or your eyelashes. And yeah, I've had this for a very long time and it should be empty by now. But basically what I've done is I haven't used it for months at a time and then I go back to it. And unfortunately, it is one of those products that you'll want to consistently use over at least a couple of months, I'd say, before you really notice a difference. I don't think it's useful for people to show what their eyebrows or eyelashes look like because there's no before after. And a lot of this kind of stuff is very, it's more of what you feel than what you can actually see. But when I use it, I do notice a difference in the thickness and just overall health of my eyelashes in particular. I have very fine hair. When I've been using this for a while, my eyelashes look better. They just look thicker and healthier. And it's more noticeable when I put on, to me anyway, more noticeable when I have mascara on. So yeah, I'd recommend this product. It does come in bigger bottle sizes, but this particular one is a really nice size that I can just dip this brush into. But you could feasibly use a Q-tip on a bigger bottle as well, because castor oil is good for a lot of other stuff too. So yeah, I recommend this product from Sky Organics.